Outcome evaluation is a quality assurance component, providing managers and stakeholders with insights into the effectiveness and efficiency of their processes, products, or services. This process involves assessing the results of specific initiatives to determine if they meet the predetermined objectives and contribute positively to the organization's goals. Effective outcome evaluation not only measures the success of efforts, but also identifies areas for improvement, helping to ensure that the organization continues to meet its customers' changing needs and expectations. The first step in effective outcome evaluation is clearly defining objectives at the start of any project or initiative. These objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart. For instance, a project aimed at reducing production costs may aim to reduce these costs by 10% within 1 year without compromising the quality of the product. Once objectives are set, it is essential to determine the metrics or indicators that will be used to evaluate outcomes. These indicators should be directly linked to the objectives and should be capable of providing a reliable measure of success. For a cost reduction project, appropriate indicators might include the percentage reduction in raw material costs, decreases in waste production, or improvements in energy efficiency. The next phase involves collecting data before, during, and after a project's implementation to monitor progress and impact. Data collection methods might include surveys, interviews, observation, and the review of production records. Ensuring the accuracy and consistency of this data forms the basis of the evaluation. Data analysis allows managers to assess whether the set objectives have been met. Depending on the nature of the data and the objectives, this analysis can involve quantitative methods, such as statistical analysis, or qualitative methods like content analysis. For example, if the objective was to improve employee satisfaction, the analysis might focus on trends observed in survey responses before and after changes were implemented. The findings from the outcome evaluation must be effectively communicated to all relevant stakeholders. This communication should clearly present whether the objectives were achieved, the extent to which they were achieved, and what factors contributed to the initiative's success or failure. Transparency in reporting these outcomes helps build trust and accountability within the organization. Following the evaluation, using the findings to inform decision-making is vital. This might involve scaling up successful strategies, adjusting to underperforming areas, or, in some cases, discontinuing efforts that are not yielding meaningful benefits. Adapting based on outcome evaluation is a key aspect of continuous improvement and helps ensure that the organization remains responsive to internal and external changes. Feedback loops are also essential. They involve revisiting the objectives and methods used in the evaluation to refine future evaluations. This might mean redefining objectives to align with organizational goals or adjusting data collection methods to capture the necessary information better. Effective outcome evaluation requires a commitment to learning and improvement. It is not simply a box-ticking exercise, but a comprehensive approach that seeks to understand the impact of actions taken genuinely and to use this understanding to drive better results. Managers oversee the evaluation and foster an organizational culture that values data-driven decision-making and accountability. Through careful planning, meticulous data collection and analysis, and responsive implementation of findings, outcome evaluation becomes an indispensable tool in quality assurance. It enables managers to demonstrate the value of initiatives undertaken and to make informed decisions that propel the organization toward greater efficiency, higher quality, and improved customer satisfaction. Mastering outcome evaluation is essential for any manager aiming to lead their team to sustained success in the marketplace.